Janine, sabi ni Jeremiah, it's amazing how you have grown by leaps and bounds as an actor since you moved to ABS-CBN a few years ago. Even before that you moved, you were already a great actress. What's your usual response when people say Janine is as a much better actress under ABS-CBN?
Well, syempre, I'm so grateful talaga for all the projects I've done here. As in, grabe talaga yung level of commitment and creativity and collaboration natin dito sa Dreamscape and especially sa ABS-CBN. And I owe so much to like the 3 years pa lang ako dito, nakapamilya. At grabe yung mga nakakatrabaho ko, yung mga karakter na nagampanan ko. Sobra yung pagpapasalamat ko, especially to Sir Deo, na talagang, you know, he really trusted me and took me under his wing and made me a part of the Dreamscape family. So I'm so grateful. And at the same time, I'm also so grateful to my former network kasi doon ako nag-umpisa from zero. Kasi sila yung naghirap sa akin na mga, wala talaga akong alam sa ginagawa ko. So I'm so grateful to all the creatives I worked with there and the directors I worked with there. And every experience, every project na nadaanan ko since nag-umpisa ako has contributed to who I am today. At patuloy akong natututo sa mga nakakatrabaho ko. At sa inyo din, sa mga fans, dahil yung mga komento nyo, yung mga reaction nyo, yun din talagang nag-inspire sa amin na talagang pagbutihan pa sa trabaho.
MJ, if we, di ba, in fairness to Janine, even before she moved to ABS-CBN, she is already a recipient of 2 Best Actress awards.
Yeah.
Oriane Best Actress and Eddie's Best Actress.
Correct. Saka siyang mata-mata acting...
Oo, the phenomenal Dirty Linen.
Oo, Dirty Linen, di ba? Alright, June, your
Ayan
turn.
na si June. Powers!
Alam namin hindi ka tumatanggap ng role ng parang yung same, di ba? Same ng inuulit. Talagang bago ka tumanggap, talagang tinikita mong bago to. Yan, parang bago talaga na nakita namin Jody dito. Action, di ba? Parang tinalo mo si Tomb Raider dito. Eh, yung mga fight scenes mo, di ba? Hindi, tanong namin, how was it? Kumbaga, how was it? Paano ka nag-prepare dun sa character mo? And paano ka nag-training? And ano yung mga na-encounter mo during the times na nasaktan ka ba? Ano yung mga challenges you encounter during the shoot?
When it was first offered to me, I think yung isa sa mga bagay na nagpa-yes sa akin sa project is it's new. It's something that I haven't done before. And ako kasi parang I always welcome challenges and parang I feel na parang when I begin to doubt myself whether if I could do or I could do it or not, parang the more na nanggigigil ako na hindi, kailangan ko siyang gawin. So yun yung una. And then the next is how do I prepare? So we did a lot of training. We did a lot of strength and conditioning because we don't want anyone to get injured naman on set. Isa lang yun dun sa maraming component na kailangan mong gawing preparation for the role. Kasi may physical aspect ka, there's also the emotional aspect, your relational aspect to your co-actors, diba, sa roles nila. And a lot of psychological aspect also. So you have to do a lot of parang digging. Anong nangyari? Kung may mga missing na parang bagay, trabaho mo as an actor na i-fill in yung blanks or fill in the gaps, hindi ba? And a lot of talking and meeting and collaboration with everyone from our creative team to our directors, even to my co-actors na we discuss our scenes, paano natin gusto to gawin. So mahaba siyang proseso. So part yun ng preparation before mo gawin yung, let's say, yung scene. Kung meron mga nasaktan, ay oo.
Agad.
Ito na yata yung parang nagkapasa-pasa na ako dito left and right. Parang every time na uuwi ako sa bahay, parang may bago akong baon. Baong pasa. Ganon. Pero it's all part of the job. So, and I'm just really thankful na I got to do this with these wonderful people. I'm just grateful. My heart is full.
Congratulations. Worth it naman yung mga pasa mo. Ang ganda-ganda ng pinalabasan ng
Sobra,
teleserye.
Abangan nyo, Alan, kasi wala pa yan. Kasi pagdating ng second week, third week, grabe, umaatikabong action na talaga. Hindi pwedeng lumipas ang isang linggo na walang mangyayaring, hindi balian. Parang action scenes, ganyan.
Ikaw ba yung nagpapa-double or talagang ikaw yung gumagawa talaga ng mga scenes?
As much as possible, ako talaga.
Share nyo na lang, Jodes, yung training nyo ng 5 araw, 1 week. Pero araw-araw kayo ni Jody, kayo ni Echo, kayo ni... Di ba, ang dami yung pinagdaanan, parang 6 hours a day.
Ang nangyayari kasi, before kaming mag-shoot, kanyari, may schedule na action sequences, hindi binubuo yung routine sa set. Binubuo yun ng stunt director namin prior to the scene na kukunan. So, naglalaan talaga kami ng time for rehearsal. Para din, go ahead, bro.
No. I was just telling them how you wanted to start the Zumba before mag-take kami. Nagzo-Zumba kami lahat. Just to warm
Sige.
up.
Sa'yo.
Led by
Led by Jody.
The Diamond Star. So, yeah.
Shake body body dancer.
Shake, bari-bari dance. Ganun muna kami. Bago kami sumalang. Para alam mo yung circulation. Ganun.
Sample daw, sample.
Shake body body dancer. Ari ko mambo. Sige na na.
Siya yung leader namin. Di ba, Mama?
Anak eh.
Alright.
So anyway, congratulations.
Thank you.
everyone.
Thank you, Alan. Salamat. Okay, let's read, before I call in June Lalin, siya yung
Namiss ka ng mga fans mo, mga co-artists mo. Why you decided to accept the role and ano yung challenges you encounter?
Ilang
Ano
years
ba-
nga, Echo, no? Ilang years before ka ulit lumabas?
2017, 2018.
Wow.
2018.
Nakakamiss naman talaga.
6 years, 6 years. Oo. Naligaw ako eh. No. First of all, I want to thank all the people I work with dito sa show and sa Dreamscape for pitching, for actually offering me the role of Tyrone and Arthur because I had no expectations and I was really blown away. I might as well have, sana nagkaroon na lang expectation because watching the final product was just amazing. So I want to thank my directors for, just having the vision talaga, and we all shared the same thing. It's nice to be in working with a group who share the same energy and same share vision, and that's what I got. So ang feeling ng pagbalik mo ganon, and then ABS, like buhay ulit yung relationship namin. It never died naman, but coming back to ABS felt like coming back to home. And then having our friends here watch it, and then it's such a great show. I'm not kidding. I'm so proud of it. I feel like I made the best decision this year.
Yes!
So, thank you very much. It's the best time to, to just one word na lang para mataldal ako eh. I don't want to turn my back on my artist again, and this is it, full embrace. Yeah. And this is the best thing to share it with.
Saka once an actor, always an actor. Di mo naman makalis yun, Jericho.
Thank you.
It's always there.
Thank you.
Thank you, Echo.
Alan.
Congratulations.
This is-
Welcome back.
Thank you so
Yung
much.
second
I
question.
want to ask you, Alan, how do you feel that I'm back?
So,
I'm just kidding.
Baliw ka, Jericho. Back
Boy,
to
that's a
you.
serious question, di ba? Parang namiss 6
Hindi,
years.
why not?
6
Sige nga,
years.
Alan. Ikaw nga, ano pakiramdam mo?
Sige, Alan,
syempre na-miss ng mga fans mo yung acting.
Ikaw ang tinatanong, hindi yung fans.
Ako personally, na-miss namin talaga yung Echo.
Diba?
Love you, thank you, Alan. Love you, thank
And
you.
you still remember us, di ba, nung dumadaan siya kanina dun sa
Red
red
carpet.
carpet, talagang binati niya kami yung mga familiar faces.
Mga OGs.
Ganun naman si Jericho lagi.
Yeah, that's my strategy talaga kasi I always forget names.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you, Echo. Congratulations. Second question ko for Jody. Grabe, Jody, no?